Now you've received your funds, and we have to determine how best to use those funds and what we're allowed to do with them. So on your application under the PPP program, you stated that you're going to use the funds from the loan for only 4 purposes. That's going to be payroll costs, including benefits, interest on mortgage, rent, and utilities. These are the only things that you can use the funds for. This also is what you can get your loan forgiven for in the 8-week period after your loan is funded. So we're going to talk a little bit about the forgiveness side of things, but just remember, these are the only things you can use the funds for, and that's what you've promised the government. So when you're trying to get as much of your loan forgiven as possible, you need to understand that the payroll cost, including benefits, has to be a minimum of 75% of the forgivable amount. That means that all of these things are a maximum of 25%. So how that works practically is if you get a $100,000 loan and you're able to show in those 8 weeks after you get the loan that you have spent $75,000 on payroll and benefits, then you will have $25,000 available to be forgiven under interest, mortgage, rent, and utilities. Now, if the amount of payroll, including benefits, that you spend in those 8 weeks is only $60,000, because it's a minimum of $75,000, now the maximum at $25,000 or at 25% is $20,000. So on a $100,000 loan, if you spent $60,000 in those 8 weeks on payroll, you could also get $20,000 forgivable as a maximum for these expenses here. The information contained in this video is not to be construed as legal advice. This is for informational purposes only on the Paycheck Protection Program. This program is changing almost daily, and this video was prepared on April 7th. So everything that you hear, bring it to your legal advisor or financial advisor so that they can give you up-to-date information and information specific to your business.